Hey fitness enthusiasts, today we're diving into the world of fitness with a 30-minute full body workout routine that's perfect for shaping and toning your body. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to exercise, so let's get started. We're kicking things off with a dynamic warm-up to rev up our heart rate and get those muscles ready. Next, we'll be alternating between upper and lower body exercises to keep your heart rate elevated throughout the entire workout. Start with 20 reps of push-ups for your chest and triceps, followed by 20 reps of squats for your glutes and quads. Then, perform 20 lunges for your quads and glutes, followed by 20 bicep curls for your biceps. Next up are 20 straight leg raises for your abs, followed by 20 dips for your triceps, chest, and shoulders. Finish off with 20 Russian twists for your obliques. We'll be doing this circuit twice to reach our goal of a 30-minute workout. And don't forget, you can always modify this routine to suit your fitness level. Thank you so much for joining me today in this powerful full body workout routine. Remember to stay consistent and make exercise a part of your daily routine. If you enjoyed this video and want more fitness tips, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more content like this. Happy workouts, everyone!